OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro officially go on sale on the 29th of May in India. The OnePlus 8 series was launched about a month ago and not first in India, due to the nationwide lockdown. The company revealed the price of its newest flagships in India and put them for sale a couple of weeks ago, with no sale date in sight. Yesterday, we learned that the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro will be available to buy in India by the end of this month. But now, the company has officially announced the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro India sale dates. Through its Red Cable Club community, OnePlus today revealed that the OnePlus 8 series will go on sale from the 29th of May in India. The new flagships will be up for sale on Amazon India, OnePlus website, and other retail stores. But there's some good news for fans who have already placed pre-orders via Amazon over the past couple of weeks. You will be able to punch in orders before everyone else, starting from the 18th of May, i.e. Monday next week. Further, the blog post mentioned that limited edition pop-up boxes will also be available at launch. Red Club Cable members will get access a day early on the 28th of May. You will only need to pay Rs. 1,000 extra over the retail price of the OnePlus 8 or 8 Pro to get a pair of Bullets wireless Z earphones, a Cyan bumper case, and a Nylon with OnePlus 8 or carbon bumper case with OnePlus 8 Pro along with the devices. You can head to this link to check out the complete details of the pop-up bundles. OnePlus 8 series launch offers. OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro have been priced starting at Rs. 41,999 and Rs. 54,999 in India respectively. However, the company has announced a plethora of launch offers that will enable you to secure some discounts. First, you can use SBI credit cards to get an instant discount of Rs. 2,000 on the OnePlus 8 and Rs. 3,000 discount on the 8 Pro. This brings down the entry cost to Rs. 39,999, and that's pretty amazing. Avail up to 12 months of no-cost EMI across Amazon and OnePlus online stores. All SBI credit card users can secure the sale deal at offline stores as well. Red Cable Club members will get a flat 10% discount on screen protection plans. If you want a refresher of the complete specs for both the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro, along with how they differ and which one you should pick, head over to this link right away. We have compared both of OnePlus' new flagships to help you make a sound decision before the 29th of May sale.